I'm going to give you an apartment tour. So here we go. Let's start at the front. This section is kind of dark, so I'm thinking about putting a lamp or something in the entryway because it's kind of dark right here. But so this is the front door, and let me back up. So that's the front door, and then that is a closet, a coat closet. He has a light switch right here, but I don't know what it goes to, so that's weird. Okay, and so you come this way, and then this is the guest bathroom, and the guest bathroom leads to the boys' room, which I will get to, and then you can come straight, and then this is the kitchen. I love that it's open. All of the apartments that I've had in the past were not open, and I couldn't see what everybody was doing. So this is all open, and there's a sink. I haven't checked to see what is a real drawer and what is a fake drawer. Okay, real drawer, and there's plenty of storage. And I'm so glad there is a built-in microwave. That's great. And looks like a spice cabinet. And then here is a little pantry area. So there's the pantry. And I'm going to clean these out and get some liners. And then here is the laundry room, and this really sold me. I mean, there's a shelf up here for plenty of storage. And I'm planning on storing my trash can in here, and also like mops and brooms and stuff like that. And then on the other side is the refrigerator. It's empty. And so then, okay, so then you leave the kitchen and we're back to where we started. And then this is the dining area. So this is where our table will go. And then I'm gonna step into the dining area. This is the living room area, and there is a little nook over there. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put my desk over there, and that will be like my little office area, which will be helpful because I am working from home. And then we come around, and this is the boys' room. So you can look at it from here. It's a decent sized room for the both of them. And then you see they have access to the bathroom, which that's the other side. And that's their room. Outlets where they need to be. And here is their closet. Oh. Nice big walk-in closet, which is perfect because they're sharing a room. Okay, so we come back out. This closet, there's like a utility closet with like the water heater and air conditioner and stuff like that. And then this is my room. Plenty big for me. Okay. And so like I said, I'm thinking I'm gonna put my desk out in the living room area. So I'll just have my bed and dresser in here. And this is my bathroom. So there's me. Hey. There is a medicine cabinet, and the other bathroom has that too. And then there's also, whoa, I didn't realize it was this deep. There is storage for towels and things like that. So that's perfect. And I don't know, oh, there's drawers. Oh my God. I've never had drawers before. I'm gonna have to get the little drawer. Oh my God, this is, I'm so excited about drawers, literally. And there's plenty of under sink storage. And there is the toilet. There's the shower, bathroom, plain white, simple, perfect for me. And here is my closet. So this is perfect, nice and sturdy shelving, sturdy shelving, and plenty of room for me. And it kind of wraps around just a tiny bit, but that's going to be good for having some extra storage down here. And I do have a dresser coming on Sunday. The boys have a dresser coming, I have a dresser coming. So I am so excited to start this new chapter. This apartment is, wait, I should find a mirror so you can look at me. Find my mirror. This apartment is like super important to me because I'm really like turning over a new leaf, starting a new chapter in my life, and I'm just excited to start fresh. So that concludes my empty apartment tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to start taking the stuff that I have in the car and bringing it inside. I am actually moving, like have a moving truck and everything, and that's happening tomorrow. So all of our big stuff will be moved over tomorrow. And then today, I'm just gonna be doing a lot of back and forth, getting clothes and like all the loose stuff that you don't really wanna put in the truck. And we're gonna get all of that in today. So wish me luck, and please stay tuned because there's going to be a lot of decorating and a lot of, you know, cool, I don't know, decorating and unpacking and organizing and things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.